Hello guys, welcome to Progressive Farm GH. This morning, just a short demonstration of my new irrigation system I've developed. It's actually a simple technique you can use on your own, or you can develop on your own. It makes use of normal materials at home, such as a straw. You know this straw, we use it for drinks, we use it to suck our drinks and other stuff. Yeah. And also, when you look up there, you have our dispenser bottles, an empty dispenser bottle up there, which I suspended using a rope. Okay. So, we have our materials, we have our straw, dispenser bottles, and a rope, okay, to dispense or to suspend the setup up. Okay, so when we come here, you can see I've interconnected the various straws using a pin. I don't know if you can see closer. It's a pin, normal pin to hold stuff. Yeah, so I've interconnected these two, you can see, and then I just plug it together. And then I hold it up with a pin so that in case of high pressure, it will be able to withstand the pressure. Look, it's very tough. All right, so we are coming to dispense some water in the dispenser bottle so that we will lift it up. So just watch me outside. So these are our lockers. Okay. And I have a system here to pull and the dispenser. You have to be careful when doing this experiment. It's simple, but okay. So we have our dispenser down here. Okay, we are coming to load the water. So you gently lock this thing up. There's a hole at the top, okay? Okay, so for the purpose of demonstration, we just fill it halfway, and then we suspend the whole setup to the top. This is an iron rod, it's very tough, not so tough, but we are managing it. Alright, so this is how we go about it. First, lift this thing up. Okay, lift the entire setup up. Okay, then we pull it up. Okay. Then we lock it. Just push this one inside to lock it. Okay. So you can see right now the water is up. The reason why we are elevating this is to create pressure through the pipes. Okay. I've ordered some irrigation pumps, mini ones, which will arrive maybe somewhere next month. So for now, we are using this one to mount our pressure. So let's see what this can give us. Let's put the pressure in. As you can see. Okay, the pressure is quite high. So we put it back. Woo! Guys, I'm getting wet, but it's okay. The pressure is too much, you know. Woo! That's good. Alright, so we lock it again. Then we jump straight to the plants. So what do we see here? We have a line that can bisect the water to 2 points. Using this, it's called, I got this from a bicycle pump, the tip of a bicycle pump, where you actually connect the valve. So this from the bicycle pump, and then it's dispensing the water through. You can see the water coming from this side, okay, and the same water is coming from the other side too. You can see it over there. So let's take a close look at the crop here. If I get the camera down, can you see the water is dripping off at the tip, okay, just below the plant, okay. So let's move to a different crop. Watch your steps. Okay. So let's come here. You can see it's dispensing the water gradually. Okay, that's the beauty of this system. It dispenses the water gradually so that it reaches the crop. Okay, so let's go here. As you can see, it's also dispensing. Okay, now let's go to the other side. You can see this one too has started. You can see, right? Okay, let's go here. Okay, so you can see, bring it from. You can see the water actually passing through the pipes. You can see the water going through the pipes. I don't know if the camera can show it clearly. The water passing through the pipe. It will pass through the pipe to the very end. And I've blocked the pipe at the end. You can see it here. See the water rushing. It's going right gradually. So it will reach all the crops. Okay. As you can see here. You can see the water dripping. So this is just the first part of the experiment. This is just the first part of the experiment. When I get the irrigation pump, I can build much pressure from it, and then we'll have something good. So if you are interested in this setup, and also to if you want us to come and then at least build some on your farm, or you are planning to do a project, we can come and then set it up for you. This is less than, I think it's less than, it's less than $30, right? Somewhere around $25 for this setup. Yeah, it's not that expensive. So we just need to get a lot of the straw packs and also the pins to hold them up. So thank you very much. Subscribe to this channel, and also put us on post notification for more videos like this. So we'll see you next time, okay? Remember to like the video. Thank you.